Hi everyone, which one is larger? We have two different bases and two different exponents. So first we'll try to distribute the exponents. So we say 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 11. 2 by 11 is 22. And 3 to the power 3 by 11. Okay, so 3 by 11 is 33. First power, the first exponent with the base, so we say 4 to the power 2, 4 squared will be 16. I'm going to put the exponent 11, and here 3 to the power 3, 27 to the power of 11. So here we have made the exponents the same. We have 11 and 11. It's easy to say which one is larger. So in this case, 27 is the largest. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.